Back. This is day 10 of the 30 days, 30 opals. This one has a nice red flash in it. You can see that just jumping out at me. This is a Spencer Opal triplet. So we'll go ahead and shape the profile on this and dome it and polish it. So alright, here we go. Day 10, all finished. That red just kind of rolls around the edge of that thing as you turn it. You turn it to that side, you see all sorts of pinfires and lots of neat stuff in this opal. I really like this one. So there we go, day 10.